back to my channel. My name is Miriam Maulana. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining us today. If you're an oldie but a goodie, you know I love you, I appreciate you. In today's video, babies, I'm going to be showing you guys how I am rocking this summery colorful eye. I mean, if this doesn't say summer, if this doesn't say tropical holiday, I don't know what does for you. So I hope that you guys do enjoy, and please don't forget to leave me a comment down below letting me know what you want to see in the next video, what you think about the look. Am I rocking this color? Should I mix it up a little more? Do you want something more simple? I am here to please. Anyways, guys, do enjoy the video. I love you so much. Mwah, 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 mwah. If there is one goal that I have for 2016 is to make sure that my videos aren't too long, and this is kind of the eye look that I've decided to go for today. So I learned this trick from I Love Sarahi. I'll put her channel down below, and it's kind of to practice the look that I want to do for you guys before we start. So in today's video, I just figured we would go with color. It's summer, so why not do something a little bit fun and out of the box. And the palette that I'm going to be using to achieve this look is my Juvia's Place palette and it is called Afrique. The colors in this palette are just gorgeous. They are colorful. I mean, really, if you are one of those people that are looking to do colorful looks, then I would highly suggest this palette. I bought the mini palette because I don't know, I just feel like I don't think I'll use it as much, so why not go for the mini and then manage to get a lot more palettes. So these are the colors that we have right here. So I'm going to just start off by prepping my eye, and then we will go into detail on the look itself. To prep my eye, I'm going to go into my face with the Essence Cosmetics Eye Priming Base. I'm just waiting for my budget to get right, because you know guys, makeup is expensive. Let me not even I ain't even fronting, makeup is expensive. So I'm just waiting for my budget to get right, and then I will go and get like a proper base. So please leave foundation base ideas and names and suggestions down below, so that you know I can go and buy myself a couple of shades, you know, since I'm trying to dabble into this makeup life. I'm going to follow the base with my Revolution concealer in the color C13. I just mixed it with my lightening drops, adjusting drops from the Body Shop, just to make it a tad a bit brighter, because I mean, look at these colors. And then I'm going to follow that by using my Yardley translucent powder. This powder is the bomb.com. I absolutely love it. I hope the other translucent powders work the same. I haven't tried them out, so I actually don't really have an opinion on those ones specifically. I'm just going to go in and blend that real quick, making sure not to ruin my eyebrows, because my eyebrows are popping. For my transition color, I'm going to go into my Revolution HD Pro palette, and I am going to pick this blush pink nude shade, and I'm going to use that as my transition color. It's because I really don't want a transition color that is too heavy or strong, or that will go ahead and like change the colors that I'm actually putting after. So which is why I've decided to go with that very nude and neutral shade. Is just to kind of even out the base and not to add color. That's itself. And I'm going to start off with my Crown C511 brush, and I'm going to pick up the color Niger and just go into the corner of my eye. I am going to be going in with this crease brush, and then following it up with my Real Techniques blending crease brush. and just like working that color and buffing it out. As you can see, you'll find that like these colors end up looking very different. It's the exact same color, but the more you blend it out, the lighter it is, and then you concentrate it like into one section, and we are going to do that over and over and over until we get the color that we want. Right into the corner and not going too far into the eye, because that's where our orange is going to be. After that, I am going to follow the green color by using darker, I think that's the name of this color, which is this orange color. I'm going to use a packing lid brush and also a, not like a blending brush, but it's just a fluffy brush just to work that orange into the front part of my eye. So I'm just going to pack it lightly because I really want the color to show. So I'm gonna move you guys back just a little because you guys were kind of close. Okay, so we are actually done with the eye look, and we'll add the little, you know, this and that after. To start, I'm going to prep my skin using the Sobe and Poreless all-in-one super primer. It almost has like a, it's got a shade, it's not white, it's almost like a creamy beige color. I don't know how to explain the color of this primer. So it is a pore minimizing, I'm supposing, because it says pore prep and poreless. Because I don't know exactly how this primer behaves, if you add powder to it, I'm not going to do that for this particular look. I actually haven't used this primer that much. It is new. I'm going to go back into my face with the Sobe Cover Go. This is the Cover and Go foundation. It has vitamin A, C, and E, and has a SPF 6. It's a foundation and a primer. So you have the foundation here, not primer, foundation and concealer. So you have a concealer that matches your skin tone or the foundation itself. So that's kind of the concealer. The concealer is full coverage from what I am seeing from just putting it there, and then you have the foundation in the same bottle. So I'm just going to go into my face with the foundation itself. It has like a spatula thing, so I'm just going to use that to spread it all over my face before going in and buffing as per usual using my Real Techniques buffing brush. So this is what the foundation applicator looks like. I guess you can call it that. It really looks like a spatula, like a teeny weeny spatula. I don't know, the shade is it's looking kind of quammy, which worries me because the last thing I want is for a foundation to end up looking gray once it's applied on my face. Again, still same thoughts. It's very heavy, it's feeling heavy on my skin, so I feel like it might end up making me oily. According to the bottle itself, this is an all over it life group multitasker that lets you get your face on fast. So it's a life group multitasker. I'm guessing it's multitasker because it also has a concealer, so you don't have to worry about dipping into something else. You're supposed to be able to cover your spots and then finish off your foundation or your base using the exact same bottle of foundation. To go in with my concealer from Elego, and I'm just going to use that to highlight. Unfortunately, I can't use the Sobe one because it is the exact same shade as the foundation. And because I feel like this foundation is neutral, I'm going to go into and bake using my WOC Cosmetics loose powders, like my baking powders, in the color light yellow. Like I was saying in my video on baking, I sometimes mix them, light yellow and banana, but sometimes I use just light yellow or just yellow, depending on the foundation that I've used and the look that I'm going for. I've done that, I'm going to go back into my face, and I am going to I'm going to contour using my WOC Cosmetics powder in red. I love using this. I just tap it on first exactly where I want it before coming back and then just blending it in. And then just to further cut my my contour, I'm going to go in with my yellow powder and just then I'm going to go in with another brush just to blend that in and make sure that this contour isn't harsh at all. Like, we don't want it harsh. And then I'm going to take my powder brush and I'm just going to brush this away. Whilst my eyelash glue does this thing, I'm going to go into my eyes. These are lashes that I'm going to be using. So these are the Eylure lashes. Eylure and Cheryl, I think that's her name, and they're called Girls a Night Out. They aren't like wispies, they're more like of a nighttime eyelash, you know what I mean, like feathered at the top there in the corners and then lighter in the front. Can you guys even see them? Damn it. Anyway, you'll see when I put them on, and that's because we don't want to cover the orange right here in the front, so we don't want to put something that's too big or too fluffy or too flattery. Mascara that I'm going to use is the Maybelline Lost Sensational Mascara in Luscious. So now that my eyes have baked and baked to, I think, what is perfection, because I did my lashes, I'm now just going to go in with one of my brushes and I'm going to pat that into the skin just to make sure that my under eye is well taken care of, as I showed you guys in my baking video. And like I said in the baking video, if you feel like the WOC Cosmetics powders aren't working the way that you want them to, if you have those, all you need to do is just spritz it with a little bit of rose water, a little bit of your fixing spray, a little bit of water and blend, and it just blends. To go back into our Afrique palette, and I will start off with the green color and a very precise brush. Go back into Daka, which is that orange color, or Daka, I'm actually not sure what the correct pronunciation of that is, and then I'm just going to work it into the inner corner of the eye. And then I'm going to go into my eye with my smudge gel light pencil. Wow. And I'm just, it's green, I'm just going to put it into the inner corner of the eye. My hope was I could finish off this eye look without changing the palette, but unfortunately I can't find anything that works. So I'm going to go into my Juvia's Nubian palette. You can use whatever palette you have, and I'm going to take this Nairobi, which is a golden shimmer color, and I'm just going to place that. I'm just going to put it into the inner corner of the eye. Nothing hectic, just to add some zing to the look. And I'm going to use the same shimmer shadow that I used in the inner corner as a highlighter. I mean, if you ever were in need of highlighter, if you're ever in need of a highlighter and you don't have one, this is one of the best tricks ever in the book of what is makeup. And I'm just going to use that. I feel like it's going to bring this makeup look to its knees. And then I feel like what I need to finalize this look is honestly just a nude lip, and like my kind of nude. All my nude lipsticks unfortunately are all, for some odd reason, either blush or pinkish nude, and I really want it to be like brown type of nude. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a trick that I discovered recently, and that is to use concealer on top of your lipstick, maybe like a brownish lipstick, just to, you know what I mean. I'm going to follow that by using my MAC lipstick. This is almost like a mauve. It's in the shade Viv. Put my concealer into my lips, and then depending on how light I want it, I can just use a lighter concealer. And then just like that, you have yourself a nude lip. I'm now going to go in and spritz my face using my L'Oreal Infallible Fixing Mist setting spray. You know I love this. This is one of the best setting sprays in the drugstore so far that I have tried. I'm just gonna wait for this to dry, and then I will see you guys with the finished look. Anyways, love bugs, I really do hope that you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. It is really such an easy look. You just have to be patient and blend. Okay, like work your muscles and blend, and you'll be just fine. Anyways guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I appreciate you guys so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, ring the bell so that you can get notified every time that I'm on your screens. Till next time, you can just watch this video right here that I've already put in place just for you, baby. Just for you. Just for you. Because I love you.